If I click on this, you're going to see that I can set www.linkedin.com/in/rethink revenue. If you don't have your unique handle here, it's going to have like maybe your first name and last name and then a bunch of numbers after it. It makes it harder for you to be found on LinkedIn if you don't have a unique naming convention here. That said, this is an improvement you can do instantly on your LinkedIn profile if you haven't put some kind of unique handle on that, okay? The second thing is this pencil. This pencil is where you put your information, generally speaking, about you as a contact, okay? Mark Perrone, first name, last name. I have done some interesting things here before where I've done Mark Perrone as my first name and done dash rethink revenue.